Keep your training on track with this replacement band. Stylish and comfortable. Includes spare pins, 2 screwdrivers for pin removal and instructions. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Top reviews from the United States. Very durable. Amazon tells me that my last purchase of this Garmin 920XT band was July 2017. I'd say that is pretty good for a watch band, considering that in 2020 alone, I swam 180 miles in the ocean, and this year I've done another 80 plus, and between 2017 and 2020 I probably swam 300 plus miles in the pool, which is really hard on rubber and plastic. This band is currently just beginning to show signs of breaking, so I am replacing it now. I do tighten the band so it's stretched when swimming, but loosen it some to be more comfortable after. Not sure what other folks with broken bands are doing, but the replacement band I got was great. My original band only lasted 1 year on a refurb watch. So be a little gentle, and you should be just fine. I am exceptionally hard on watches, so this 920XT watch and band have really been amazing from a durability standpoint.